As I always do, I'm sharing you my ups and downs or through the project, whether it's I did right or wrong or something failed. So anyway, that's my first attempt. So what I want to cut this square, and it's in the middle of the tile. This is where the faucet. So I had the first one here, and you can see. Then my thought is, let me make cuts here using a drill bit. So I got a drill bit with the diamond blade, diamond tip to cut. Then I get this tool, I'm gonna review later. This should have a wheel to cut through the tile or make a crack in the tile. It didn't do anything and failed. So my next attempt, I went to Harbor Freight. And I got, this is heavy duty 4.5 inch diamond blade, and this is says for wet or dry. Use wet. So I need to, good for marble, stone, and tiles. I should I got the other one. The other one has slots in it that can be used in wet or dry. So here I have to keep it wet, keep the tile wet. So let's see how it goes. I had to go back to Harbor Freight to get a blade that works in wet and dry. It doesn't list the tile here, but I think it would be fine. We will try and see. Did cut, really nice cut. Yeah, and they're on the cushion.